Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Aqua at bago po nating mga viewers. Tingnan po natin ngayon kung ano yung mensahe na ating pong mababasa para sa iyo, Aquarius, at para sa person mo. Para sa buwan ng Marso 2024. You are too nice. I don't deserve your kindness. Okay. So, sa person mo, it is all too much. Okay, so I think this is very similar dun sa ating Gemini reading, Aqua. Kasi ganito rin yung nakuha ni Gemini, no? You are too nice, I don't deserve your kindness, okay? And then sa person mo, it is all too much. Okay? So parang, of course, sinasabi mo dito na sobrang bait o napaka buti ng kalooban ng person mo na pakiramdam mo na hindi ka deserving para sa kanya. I would sense a bit of parang yung insecurities mo pumapasok dito, no? Aqua, na you don't think of yourself na karapat dapat mahalin, no? Yung pakiramdam mo ba na mas nakakahigit yung person mo kesa sa'yo. Kung gaba, you don't value yourself as much, no, as you value yung person mo. Kasi parang, yung meron ka ditong inferiority. I could feel na meron kang inferiority complex, no? Kasi normally, di ba, if you know yourself that well, you know your value, you know how much you can give in terms of yung love, and of course yung what you can share or provide sa table pagdating sa finances. Kasi you know yourself that well, alam mo yung kapasidad mo. Dito kasi parang pinakikita mo na hindi ka sigurado sa sarili mo, no? You're not sure. O kilala mo yung sarili mo at lalo mo pang pinaliliit yung tingin mo sa sarili mo. Okay? Kaya parang, alam mo yun, it is something that is not attractive at all. No? If you would look at yung, siguro, if you'd ask your person, di ba, parang medyo nakaka-turn off yung pakiramdam na I don't deserve your kindness. Parang hindi ko ano yung kabaitan mo. Unless, there's something else behind this. Okay, so titignan natin sa tarot kung lalabas yun, no? Baka meron pang mas deeper meaning pagdating dito. But initially, the way I'm sensing this is, it has something to do with your whole personality. Okay? And your person naman, it is all too much. Parang sobra-sobra na to. Parang hindi ko na kaya. It is all beyond everything that I would comprehend ba. Yung tipong hindi, na to sobra-sobra to. Hindi ko na to kaya. Ganun yung dating niya. So, tignan natin sa tarot. we have the strength. Actually, bago ko ituloy, parang pakiramdam ko dito sa sinasabi dito sa'yo ako is more of yung parang self-pity. Alam mo yun, yung parang kawawa naman ako. Parang ganun yung pakiramdam na nararamdaman ko ngayon. And then the 8 of Pentacles. And then the Knight of Swords. Bottom niya is the Page of Cups. Ang person mo, we have the Hangman, Judgment, and the Knight of Wands. Okay? So, bottom niya is the 7 of Wands. Okay, Aqua. Ang first card mo kasi dito is the Strength, no? This is an energy coming from a Leo. So, ang sinasabi dito, in the past, maybe you are trying to build up that confidence, no? Yung confidence level. You're trying to work out that confidence, no? Para maging mas, confident, yung, alam mo, sigurado ka sa sarili mo, mas self-assuring, yung self-esteem mo mataas, no? Kasi ang susunod dun is the 8 of Pentacles. So you're working on it, no? You're trying to work on to your courage, no? To your strength, no? Yung lakas mo. Ano ba yung malakas sa'yo? In other words, ano ba yung mga assets mo, no? Sa sarili, o yung mga kagalingan mo, no? You're trying to work on it. And with the Knight of Swords, of course, ito yung you want things na magkaroon ng mabilis na developments, no? Mabilis na pag-unlad, mabilis na galaw. So you're doing your best na maging maayos yung confidence level mo by working on it and making sure that it progresses, no? Tumataas o nai-improve. Now, maybe it's something to do with a message of love na perhaps you have received or you are going to give. No, take it as it resonates. Kaya kung gaba parang ito yung nagpupush sa'yo to do better, to do something na mas parang mag-i-improve ka. Okay? Now, itong person mo, the first card niya is the Hangman, no? Ito yung energy na coming from a Pisces na walang galaw, no movement. Naka-steady ka lang na, which is nakabaliktad. You hang yourself, no? Nakatali yung paa mo, isa, on a hanging position. Kasi you wanted to see things on a different perspective. Gusto mo makita yung ibang itsura o anggulo ng mga bagay-bagay. Okay? Or maybe life in general. Kasi syempre kung normal na nakikita natin is yung ganitong anggulo, you wanted it to invert yourself, no? Iikot yung sarili mo to see ano nga ba itsura pag nakabalingtong. Ganun yung parang gustong gawin ng person mo. Tinitignan niya yung ibang side ba? Maybe yung buhay niya, no? O yung sa relationship. Kasi yung susunod na card dito is Judgment. it has something to do with a decision. A very, very important decision. Yung tipong ang tanong babalikan ko ba to? O bibigyan ko to ng pangalawang pagkakataon? O hindi na, magbabago na ako ng takbo. No, kasi yung dalawang card na magkasunod nga, the Hangman and Judgment, they're both trying to make up their mind, no, yung kanilang pag-iisip kung anong gagawin. No, first dito tinitignan niya kung meron ba akong dapat makita, kung iniba ko yung aking pag-iisip, o yung if I would change my mindset, or if I would change my character, or yung takbo ng buhay ko, anything that would definitely bring change do sa dati ko, no? Para makita lang niya yung other side. And once you found out kung ano mo, nakita mo man yun o hindi, or something na parang you're trying to still realize about it, you're being asked at the same time, ano na yung judgment mo? What do you plan to do? Having performed this, yung pag, trying to see things in a different perspective, ano yung plano mo? What's your plan? What's your decision? Kasi the Knight of Wands is, yung energy nito is somebody who is not consistent. No? Wands are fire signs. So, you might be dealing with an Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Well, surprisingly, you started with the Strength, which is a Leo. So, you might be working, with somebody na maybe meron siyang Leo on his or her chart, no? Take it as it resonates. But what I'm saying is you're dealing with a fire sign. So, ito nga, hindi siya consistent. Yung energy nito is in and out, in and out, in and out. Andito minsan, madalas wala. Parang ganun eh. Okay? Na bakit siya may ganyang energy? Maybe because nga it's getting all too much for this person to bear kung ano man yung nangyayari sa inyo. Kaya yung kanyang parang pinapakita, yung behavior towards you is minsan nandyan, tapos most of the time wala, aalis, o kaya mag-i-stay sa'yo for a few days, then aalis, then babalik ulit. Parang nagpapalamig, nag-iisip, umaalis, binabago yung environment niya, and then would realize, oh, maybe I have to go back, see if anything has changed. But I guess kung gaba parang ganun pa rin yung nangyayari sa kanya, no? Pag ganun, undecided, no? Kaya walang consistency. Maybe kaya nga sinasabi niya it is all too much. Parang sobra-sobra talaga na hindi niya ma-comprehend ba? Hindi niya maisip na ito yun. O hindi niya kayang i-embrace, no? Yung kung ano may nangyayari. Okay? Now, kasi, yung bottom nito is the Seven of Wands. Which is, para sa person mo, Aqua, is nagiging very protective lang siya or defensive sa kanyang emotion o sa kanyang sarili. Parang binibigyan niya dito ng parang sinasabi niya dito sa'yo na, teka muna, hold on. Huwag mo ako i-push. Huwag mo akong pilitin. Huwag mo akong tawag dito? I-control. Okay? Kasi parang siya no? Yung, alam mo yung nagsasabi siya na, hindi, hanggang dyan ka lang. Yung tipong niya, pinaparating niya sa'yo, maybe in his own unspoken way, dyan ka lang. Hanggang dyan yung boundary mo, no? This is really putting up a boundary. Hanggang dyan lang. Yung pwede mong idikta, o sabihin, o paggawa, something like that. Kasi para sa kanya, anything beyond that is getting too much. Hindi niya na carry. Hindi niya na gets, hindi niya na gagawin. Okay? So, tingnan natin yung susunod. We have the Seven of Cups, the Empress, and the Chariot. Bottom niya ulit is the Six of Wands. Ang person mo naman, we have the Knight of Swords, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Seven of Pentacles. Bottom niya is a Death. Okay, Aqua. Sa'yo, I think you were given that option sa relationship na to, no? I mean, parang binigyan ka ng, yun nga, pagkakataon para makapili ng iba pang mamahalin o ibang relasyon. O kung anong dapat pang i-consider o bigyan ng priority yung buhay mo. Yung susunod kasing card dito is Empress. I think somehow God wanted you to experience how it is to be, loving yourself, having that high standard sa sarili mo. Because the Empress is the ultimate queen ng mga queens dito sa deck. Siya yung ang symbolism niya is about love and abundance, growth, success. So siya yung may capability to give birth ba? Yung tipong magparami, magparanya, something like that. So yung all the good things na a woman can give, or a man can give, or man or woman, doesn't matter yung gender, no? But the idea is mataas yung level mo, no? Ikaw yung tinitingala, in other words. Hindi ikaw yung tumitingin, ikaw yung tinitingala, no? Ikaw yung naando sa tuktok, do sa taas, sa pedestal, no? Hindi ka humahabol, ikaw yung hinahabol. So maybe God wanted you to think about, no? You were given these options to think about that you can be an empress. Aqua? Which is, I think very, very much you can. Kasi nga, matalino mga Aqua, no? They're very intelligent people. They see, kung gaba, ang concern nila is the whole world. Yung nakakarami. Yun ang concern nila eh. Para sa ikabubuti ng nakakarami. Yun ang gusto niyang matulungan. Hindi yung maliit na grupo lamang. Yung nakakarami, kung pwede nga yung buong mundo eh. Ganun kalaki yung puso ni Aqua, no? Pagdating sa pagtulong. Kaya they were given that level of intelligence ni God to be able to help a lot of people. That's my own opinion, ha? Now, yung susunod kasi dito is the Chariot. No, you know you're heading towards the future. Alam mo na you are moving forward. Alam mong pausod ka. Or maybe this is what God wanted you to do. Umusod ka to move forward. Huwag mong gawing stagnant yung buhay mo. Not like this energy of the hangman na alam mo yun, nakahang lang. This is not your energy. You need to move because you're aqua. Diba? You're given that passion, that intelligence, that loving, caring heart for many people to help. Kaya kung yun ang magiging goal mo sa buhay, hindi ka pwedeng stagnant lang o nakatanga lang dyan o walang ginagawa o nag-iintay. Hindi ka ganun eh. Hindi ka yung taong nag-iintay. Ikaw yung gumagalaw, you move, you do something. Diba? Please tell me kung tama ako dyan. Ako ha? No, kasi yung card mo dito, no? You want to be successful with the 6 of Wands. Gusto mo maging matagumpay ka. With that particular thought in mind, no? To help so many people. Of course you want to be successful. Of course you wanted to have a successful relationship as well, no? Siguro nga yung idea dito na maybe kung hindi ka happy na dito sa current mo, then God is saying to you, you have a choice, no? I'm giving you this choice. Pumili ka. Kung saan mas okay, mas lalabas yung pagiging empress mo, yung pagiging magaling mo. And then move forward with all determination and strength. No? Kaya ka nga pinapag-practice dito eh. Para maging malakas yung loob mo at courageous. Diba? Move forward. Don't ever think that you don't deserve yung kindness na yun. Diba? Kasi pag inisip mo to, this is so negative. Para sa akin ha. How on earth can you say you don't deserve yung kindness itong person na to? Ano bang ginawa mo? What did you do? Para masabi mo ito. Ganun bang ka-holy itong tao na to? Ganun ba yung tingin mo sa kanya? Napaka-holy? Na ikaw ay hindi? Kaya hindi mo deserve siya? I think you better reassess, no? Do some rethinking o put yourself in a hermit mode. Mag-isip ka mabuti. Sa pag-iisip mo, bigyan mo ng halaga yung sarili mo. This is the time that you need to have self-love. First, mahalin mo muna yung sarili mo bago ka magmahal ng ibang tao. Dahil hindi mo magagawa yun ng tama kung hindi mo mahal ang sarili mo. Okay? See your person, no? Here, with the Knight of Swords, parang eager siyang may mangyari na biglaan, no? Mabilis na pangyayari, mabilis yung movement. Maybe mabilis yung pagbabago ng buhay niya kasi this is the wheel of fortune, no? Mabago na yung pagtakbo ng buhay niya. But you would see here, dito, no? In this card kasi, may nakaharang. Something is blocking that change do sa wheel of fortune niya. Yung pag-ikot ng mundo niya, yung pag-ikot ng fortune niya. There is something blocking. No? Iba itong card kasing to eh. Kasi, I guess, matagal niya nang iniintay yung pagbabago na yun. With the 7 of Pentacles. Nag-invest na kasi siya dito sa kung gabat panahon, no? Time. It's been a long time na nag-iintay siya na magkaroon nga ng change, yung pagbabago. Maybe your person dito ako has had enough. Kasi in the first place, Bakit siya magkakaroon ng ganitong energy of the hangman, trying to see things in a different way, and then trying to have this decision, a very difficult major decision. Alam naman niya na paurong-sulong siya, no? Ito, yung Knight of Wands, paurong-sulong yan eh. Kung ba, ngayon oo, bukas hindi na. Mga ilang araw, oo ulit. Tapos pagbalik, hindi na lang. Ganun. Hindi siya makapag-make up yung kanyang mind. Hindi pa siya totally sure. Para nagdidili-dali siya, ganun. Pero, ito yung kontra eh, no? Hindi siya makadecide. Pero, gusto niya mabilis na aksyon ang mangyari. Mabilis yung pangyayari ng pagbabago. Mabilis ang pangyayari ng pagbabago. Kaso may nakaharang. Maybe it's something to do, yung paghaharang nito is because nag-spend na siya ng maraming taon sa relationship na to. And it's really been, I would say, difficult for him. No? Na basta ganun-ganun na lang. So yung card niya dito is the Death. As if it's telling you, Aqua, something died. Something inside him died. Something is asking for a change. Diba? Sabi ko sa'yo, gusto niya ng pagbabago. Wheel of Fortune, Death. Change. Gusto niyang may mabago. Maiba naman. Diba? Kasi, hindi nga siya magiging ganito, no? Yung pag-iisip. Putting himself in a different position just to look at things differently. Kung sure na siya sa gusto niya, meron siyang gustong mangyari. Okay? And sadly to say, parang yun nga eh, yung feeling na may gusto pa siyang magawa. And it has nothing to do anymore with sa relationship. No, it's really more of, siguro hindi na nga niya kaya eh. Hindi niya na kaya yung ano nangyayari sa relationship niyo. Nanawa na ba siya? Ganun ba? So far kasi, I couldn't see any cups. Yung kupita, di ba? The cup. Cup is, it symbolizes emotion, love. Walang cup eh. It's wands, it's pentacles, sword. Walang cup. Ikaw kanina may cup ka dito. Maybe that's what you wanted to send to this person. Baka yun ang kulang, no? Wala na masyadong love. O hindi na papakita yung love. Hindi niya nararamdaman yun. O nawala na talaga. At least ikaw meron ka pa dito eh, no? Seven of Cups. It is about choosing what you love. Siya wala eh. Maybe that brought this energy, no? Yung Death. May nabago talaga. O umihingi ng pagbabago. Okay? So, tignan natin kung ano yung advice o outcome. We have the Four of Coins. Again, the Death card. And the Nine of Swords. Aqua, yung sinasabi dito is you keep holding tight, no? Ayaw mong mapakawalan, ayaw mong mawala ito, but sad to say, may natapos na eh, something ended, something that is not fulfilling gabad sa other person. Humingi siya ng pagbabago, a new beginning, a powerful movement, no? Panibagong pag-uumpisa. Because maybe, yun nga there's something that happened with your relationship na hindi na siya masaya. Okay? Obviously, but I don't want to go into that detail. You know exactly your issues. It is time for you to, go within and really look at your situation. Yung susunod kasing card is the Nine of Swords, which is making you sad. Making you, nagdadala ng depression sa'yo. Nagkakaroon ka tuloy ng sleepless night, hindi ka makatulog, lagi mo naiisip, ano na bang nangyari. Nakakalungkot. Lagi kang umiiyak. Kasi hindi mo matanggap, no? Hindi mo matanggap the Four of Coins. No? You keep holding on to this relationship. You don't want to let go. But you know the fact that it already died. Meron ng parang, meron ng namatay. I don't want to say yung word na namatay na as in talaga may namatay, physically, but it's not. What I'm referring to is the emotion, the feeling, yung passion, yung dating meron no mainit, parang nawala na siya . Nawala. Parang nanawa na siya dun sa nangyayari sa inyo. Kaya siya humihingi ng panibagong pag-uumpisa. Okay, Aqua? Mahirap tanggapin kung ito'y nangyayari na ngayon sa inyo. Masakit. Yes, I agree. Malungkot. Oo, totoo. But don't, alam mo yung, just put your life on this person's way of living. Alam mo yun? May sarili kang buhay, Aqua. Sinasabi dito ni God, just be strong. Learn to be strong. No? And do some action. Gumalaw ka, kumilos ka. Marami ka pang choices pagdating sa pag-ibig o sa buhay. You could be the empress. No? Just do what is right and move forward with the Chariot. Kumilos ka ng pausod. Wag kang mag-stay lang dyan at mag-intay. Hindi ikaw yan. Hindi itong katapusan. Kung ayaw na sa'yo ng person mo, then let it go. Mo ba naiisip na kung bakit sa tagal-tagal, no? Kasi ito Seven of Pentacles, matagal na ito. Matagal na kayong magkasama. And yet, nangyari pa ito. Hindi kaya dahil talagang nakita ni God na this person is not the one for you. Kaya God needs to do something para nga magkahiwalay kayo and for you to realize that there is more coming, better than this one for you. Just for you. Kung ba sinasagip ka nga niya You're being saved and protected from something that would continue hurt you. Ako kung pahintulutan mong magtuloy-tuloy ito, patuloy-tuloy din yung hurt na mararamdaman mo. Kasi ayaw mong mag-let go You let go and let God do His thing. Kung ang plano niya para sa'yo is to have somebody else better than this one, then let it go. Sinasabi na nga niya, it's all too much. Hindi ko na kaya Gumibap na siya Huwag mong anuhin na, kawawa naman ako. That's why I keep telling you na I felt something kanina, yung pag-umpisa natin, na parang, yung I pity me, naawa ko sa sarili ko. Hindi dapat ganun. Ang dami dyan. You never know na talagang mas deserving. Maybe, you should be telling this and mas deserving talaga kesa dito. Baka itong sinasabi mo to sa taong parating ha. Yung taong parating. You are too nice. I don't deserve your kindness. Diba? Which is possible. Anyway, I'll give you time to ask a question. Any question, Aqua, no? While I shuffle. Dito natin kukunin yung sagot. So, sige lang. Isip ka lang kung ano yung question mo. Then, I will tell you the answer from these cards. Okay, ready ka na? Okay, ang sagot ay unlikely. Okay, unlikely. Kung gabas sa Tagalog, malabo ito. Okay? Unlikely. Okay, kahit i-close up mo. Hindi ko lang kung nakukuha pag yung ilaw ko kasi hindi maganda. But it says here, unlikely. Malabo. Okay, so we need to get more advice. Ano po yung mga advice nyo for Aqua? Synchronicity. A divine soul counterpart relationship is blessed with amazing moments of synchronicity. You might never know, baka there will be somebody coming in that is more synchronized with you, no? Mas nag-uugma sa iyo. Kung ba mas compatible kayo. Rekindle. Every relationship has magical moments that can be rekindled. Okay? So, sinasabi dito na posibilidad na pwedeng maging kayo muli, no? May magical moment that would stir up that feeling na magkabalikan. But of course, it all depends on God's plan. Kung talaga bang ito yung para sa inyo. Or maybe this is just for the person, for your person, to rekindle another relationship. Okay? So, I hope na nakatulong ito sa'yo, Aqua. Kung sino man itong Aqua na to, na nakuha natin yung energy ngayon. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na ito. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.